It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 14th of December. I'm Michael Groff. Glorious weather around here today, just another day in paradise. Temperatures slightly above seasonal averages. Increasing clouds through the weekend. Will we see any rain at all? Let's talk about that and, of course, that Christmas forecast as well. First, we'll take a peek at the almanac from yesterday. 69 for the high, 43 the morning low, right around where we should be. And outside right now, here just after 8 a.m., we've got a few clouds out there. I'd call it partly cloudy right now, and we are at 45 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 24, humidity 43%. The winds are light. The barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, it's chilly. 31 the cold spot at Goldfield. Most spots are down in the 30s, except, of course, here in the normally warm urban core, where we are in the lower 40s. Across the nation, we see a big, vigorous upper low over East Texas, and that's going to create some strong and severe storms in parts of the southeast today and some rain and a big mess elsewhere. We're under the protection of high pressure. We've got a disturbance and some clouds to our west. The watch warning map. We've got wind advisories across parts of Texas, some dense fog in the plains, flash flood watches in the mid-Atlantic coast, and in parts of Georgia and Florida this morning. Convective outlook, we've got the slight risk of severe storms around Tampa Bay, Orlando, Gainesville, Jacksonville, with a marginal risk bookending that. Precipitation valid through next Friday morning here across the state. Not a whole lot, maybe around a few hundredths of an inch for eastern Arizona. Could we see any here in the valley? Let's take a look at the models and see what they have to say about it all as we check it out. The GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. Vigorous upper low crossing the Sabine Pass today over the northern Gulf Coast. High pressure here across the southwest and a disturbance to our west. And down at the surface, we'll see an increase in clouds today. I'd call it mostly cloudy by this afternoon. High temperatures, upper 60s and low 70s should be beautiful tonight. Mostly cloudy, lows in the 40s to around 50. And then tomorrow, again, mostly cloudy, high temperatures, upper 60s and low 70s, and pretty much the same thing on Sunday. Monday, partly sunny skies. We've got a disturbance, a little wave coming in from the west, and could see a few showers late in the day, Monday night, sneaking into northern Arizona. And even here in the valley, I guess the chance of rain is not zero. We'll put in a 10% chance for Monday night and early Tuesday. And then after that gets out of here, partly cloudy skies on Tuesday, highs mid and upper 60s. Then we turn mostly sunny on Wednesday, a slightly cooler morning with lows in the upper 30s to mid 40s. Highs again in the mid and upper 60s. Thursday, high pressure builds in from the west. The warming trend continues, highs in the low 70s. A week from today, Friday the 21st, a 588 ridge sitting right on top of us. If that happens to verify, high temperatures well above average. We'd be in the low to maybe middle 70s. Could even be warmer than that in a couple of the warmest desert spots. It's got 10 days. This is the end of the period. Sunday the 23rd, a short wave passing just through the four corners to our north. So temperatures would be knocked down just a little bit. And you know what? For the heck of it, let's just go further out into fantasy land here. This is Christmas Day. And if this is right, a very vigorous trough moving through the southern Rockies and out into the Plain States. We'd be clipped by this system, but it doesn't look like we'd get much in the way of precipitation, though certainly temperatures would be headed down. And a wet Christmas for the southern plains and the southeast U.S. Maybe some snow back in the Rockies, and we would be cool and dry. Of course, a lot can change between now and then, so keep that in mind. Let's take a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Highs a little bit above average on many days, but overall, kind of what you would expect for mid to late December here in Phoenix. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And of course, your comments, questions, suggestions, all your feedback, always encouraged as well. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a fantastic Friday and a great weekend.